Good afternoon, students. Today we will be starting with the new chapter, which is chapter 16 Times of Emergency. So, I will request you all to turn to page number 113 in your textbooks. Now, before starting with the chapter, let me share a situation with you. Imagine that you are on your way back home from a great holiday in the hills. मतलब आप सब imagine करो कि आप लोग holiday गए थे and now you are on your way back, मतलब वापस आ रहे हो and you had gone in the hills. But suddenly there is a landslide. Like this, as you can see in this picture, suddenly while coming back, you see that there is a landslide. The roads get blocked, and you are advised not to move ahead till the situation improves. That is pretty obvious. अगर landslide है तो roads will get blocked, right? And then you are advised not to move till the time the situation gets normal. Your parents are worried because they have to join the office on time. Your parents are waiting at home since you have already left, right? You are also impatient because you wanted to meet your friends and tell them about your holiday. Similarly, when you are impatient that when will you reach home, when will you meet your friends and tell them about your holiday in the hills. Now, students, this situation shows what? It shows that all of us face such times of emergency. All right, तो लैंडस्लाइड एक तरीके की क्या होगी? It is an emergency. Why? Because suddenly you didn't plan that today a landslide would come, and while going back to home you face this situation, right? So what is emergency? Emergency is a crisis situation which occurs suddenly without any warning. Like we saw in the previous situation, you all were so happy as you were going back home from your great holiday, right? But suddenly, what happened? A landslide was there. Did you know about it? Obviously, you didn't know. Had you knew about this, obviously, you guys wouldn't have planned to leave for your home today, right? So, what is emergency? Emergency is a crisis situation which occurs suddenly. तो suddenly जैसे एक landslide आ गई. So, it is a kind of an emergency, right? You have to take your precautions without any warning. An emergency occurs without any warning. So, you have to remember these two terms. Emergency जब भी आए तो you have to remember it comes suddenly and without any warning. So, suddenly and warning आपको याद रखना है. Okay. Now, इमरजेंसी कैन बी एन, हमने पीछे तो देखा एक नेचुरल डिजास्टर टाइप इमरजेंसी का सिचुएशन शेयर किया गया था, पर दिस इमरजेंसी कैन बी रिलेटेड टू वेरियस थिंग्स. इमरजेंसी कैन बी एन एक्सीडेंट, अ बॉम्ब स्केयर एट एन शॉपिंग मॉल, स्टैम्पेड इन अ श्रीन. मतलब कि जैसे कि आप होली प्लेसेस में जाते हो, टेम्पल्स में जाते हो, तो वहाँ कितनी भीड़ होती है, लाइक यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ एन इमरजेंसी. पीपल स्टेप ऑन ईच अदर. A tense situation because of riots, natural disasters such as tsunami, cyclone, landslide, or earthquake. So all these are what? Natural disasters are also kind of emergency. They cause damage and loss to life. Okay. So you all have to remember these example कि emergency किस किस situation में आ सकती है. So, our next topic is emergencies caused by natural disasters. Like we saw, picture natural disasters such as tsunami, cyclone, landslide, or earthquake also cause emergency. And then what is emergency? Emergency is a crisis situation which occurs suddenly and without any warning. So, जब natural disasters आते हैं, students, does it टेल यू इन एडवांस कि आज नेचुरल डिजास्टर आने, जैसे कि आज अर्थक्वेक आने वाला, सुनामी आने वाली है, साइक्लोन आने, ऑब्वियसली यू डोंट गेट टू नो इट, यू सडनली फील इट, राइट? सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अंडर दिस टॉपिक अबाउट द इमरजेंसीज कॉज्ड बाय नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स. Natural disasters such as tsunamis, earthquakes, and cyclones create serious emergency situations, as we read in the previous slide. Within a few minutes, many people lose their homes and their belongings. So, students, you must have seen this in the news, or you must have felt it, that when an earthquake or tsunami or a cyclone comes, आप सबने न्यूज़ में भी देखा होगा कि डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड में ये सब natural disasters occur होते हैं. So what do they cause? They cause loss of homes and belongings of people. इतनी डैमेज हो जाती है, इतनी लॉस हो जाती है, एज यू कैन सी कि यहाँ पे सडनली इतना सारा सुनामी आ गया. इट इज़ कॉजिंग सिवियर डैमेज एंड यहाँ पे रोड्स हैव बीन क्रैक्ड. वाई? बिकॉज दिस इज एन अर्थक्वेक. ओके, so we'll study all these natural disasters today in detail, one by one. So our first natural disaster is earthquake. Earthquakes occur when the ground shakes and trembles as masses of rocks move beneath the earth's surface. As you can see in this picture कि जब ऐसे earth की ground shake करती है, मतलब when there's a shaking feel, you can obviously relate it to an earthquake. Okay, as masses of rocks move beneath the earth's surface. As you can see in this picture very clearly कि जब ऐसे rocks जो होती है earth के beneath में, they move, okay, they tremble. So what is that? That is an indication of an earthquake. It results in the destruction of property and loss of life. This we all know. Destruction तो होनी ही है, and moreover सबसे important क्या है? Loss of lives. Okay. We can measure an earthquake on the Richter scale. This is the Richter scale from the magnitude of 0 to 10. An earthquake below 2.0 cannot be felt while one above 5 can cause serious damage. तो यहाँ पे बताया गया कि जो 2 के below है that can't be felt much, but the one above 5, the above 5 से लेके जो 10 तक हो गया, it can cause serious damage to earth and obviously to people. Okay, so next is tsunami. What is a tsunami? A tsunami is a series of huge waves caused due to an earthquake or volcanic eruption under the sea. As you can see in this picture, they can wipe out entire coastal villages or towns. तो क्या है सुनामी? आप कैसे रिलेट कर सकते हो? जब ह्यूज वेव्स सडनली आती है ड्यू टू एन अर्थक्वेक, इट कैन बी ड्यू टू एन अर्थक्वेक. अगर अर्थक्वेक आई है so there are huge chances that a tsunami can also occur, or the other factor is due to an volcanic eruption under the sea. Okay, so they wipe out an entire coastal village or town. मतलब huge waves ऐसी speed में आएगी कि it can wipe out the entire village or town. तो now you can imagine कितनी destruction होगी. Your houses have gone, people, loss of damage, okay, loss of lives. So everything, loss of our greenery, everything just gets wiped out. Next is floods. हमने earthquake के बारे में बात कर लिया, right? And then we have talked about tsunami. And third is now floods. Floods are caused by heavy rainfall resulting in the overflow of rivers. Okay. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर कि फ्लड्स कैसे आते हैं? जब हैवी रेनफॉल होती है एंड इट रिजल्ट्स इन द ओवरफ्लो ऑफ रिवर. फॉर एग्जांपल अब लद्दाख में भी आप देख सकते हो ये सिचुएशन आ सकती है ऑफ फ्लड्स. जब हैवी रेनफॉल हो, फॉर अ चेंज हैवी रेनफॉल हो एंड जो हमारे इंडस रिवर इट गेट्स ओवरफ्लोड. ओके, सो व्हाट विल इट कॉज? इट विल कॉज अ फ्लड. The water flows onto the land. That is pretty obvious. River से land में आ जाएगी, road में आ जाएगी, right? And submerges villages, towns and cities. So the water will enter into the villages, towns and cities and it will cause massive destruction. As you can see in this picture कि कैसे पानी एकदम घरों के पास आके collect हो चुका है. Like you can see the level of water where it has reached. And similarly out here, look at the people how they are walking. इतना पानी आ चुका है टाउन्स में, विलेजेस में, सिटीज़ में कि पीपल आर नॉट इवन एबल टू वॉक, दे आर नॉट एबल टू सी दी रोड. ओके, people lose their shelters and belongings. That is pretty obvious. Be it any kind of natural disaster, students, it will result in the loss of shelters and belongings of people. Okay, all the natural disasters cause a lot of damage and loss. So next is landslide. Landslide is caused by the movement of large amount of earth, rocks and other materials down a steep slope. So ऐसे जाती है लैंडस्लाइड. मैंने आपको पीछे भी एक पिक्चर दिखाई थी. स्टीप स्लोप में लैंडस्लाइड अकर होती है, दैट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ एन इंडिकेशन. ओके. इट अकर्स व्हेन अ लेयर ऑफ अर्थ और रॉक सेपरेट्स फ्रॉम द लेयर बिलो इट. मतलब कि एक जो लेयर ऑफ अर्थ और रॉक है, वो जो उसकी बिलो की लेयर होती है, उससे सेपरेट हो जाती है. इट कैन ब्लॉक रिवर्स एंड डिस्ट्रॉय एंटायर टाउन्स. ऑब्वियसली बात है, अगर इतनी मूवमेंट होएगी ऑफ अर्थ, है ना, इतने रॉक्स अगर गिरेंगे तो इट विल ब्लॉक द रिवर्स, द रॉक्स एंड ऑल विल गो इनसाइड द रिवर्स एंड इट विल ऑब्वियसली डिस्ट्रॉय द एंटायर टाउन्स, द रोड्स विल गेट ब्लॉक्ड. Okay.